Hello everyone, I'm Lego Master and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the Top Gear rally car. This is a remote control rally car from Lego that uses the Lego Control Plus app to control the car. So this is the Drift Stang from the Top Gear series. They have been doing their show for a long time now, and Lego decided to make their own version of the rally car. So this rally car has a lot of detail and it works really well. So first, in the front, you have these four lights that act sort of like lights, but they say Stig on them because that's the name of the car. And if you pop the hood, you can see a little filter right here, and you can see the servo motor inside. And so once you go past that, then on the inside, you can sort of see a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but there is the battery box and some wiring in there. And you can't see it from the back, but right behind this panel is the motor that controls the wheels. And so this is a two-wheel drive drift car. So on the back, there is a spoiler, a really nice spoiler. I love it. And it has some brake lights and some more stickers that say that's from Top Gear. And underneath, nothing much. There is a differential, and so on the app you can control the car with this differential and the battery box and motors. So you can, with this differential, it lets you be able to shift from first gear to second to third, and then go back down to neutral or reverse. So that's how it works. And on the app, I can show you a little video right up here. On the app, when you go to use the car, what you do is you select the car, turn on the hub, and the hub will connect to the phone via Bluetooth. And prior to you driving it, you first have to decide either if you want to use the car as a manual transmission or an automatic transmission. So there's a switch on the app that will let you switch between manual and automatic transmission. I personally like to do the automatic transmission just because it's less gear shift and a lot less work, and so I can just focus on looking at the car and how amazing it is driving around. So once I shift it into gear, for manual transmission, you go from drive, and you have to go from drive to first gear, hold that down, and then you go from first to second, hold that down, and so on until you go all the way to third gear. And for the automatic transmission version, all you have to do is hold down drive, and it will go automatically from drive to first to second to third. And so that is how the gear shifting works. So that is basically it. You can also choose it to where for the steering, on the first page, you can use the steering where you hold down like a little joystick basically, and you can turn it side to side as a steering wheel. Or you can choose the option where you go to the next page and you can turn, let's say this is my phone, you can turn it like this or this, and the car will go the direction you turn it. So it's, it's pretty cool. I like to do the first page where I just scroll left to right to, to steer it. So that is the Lego rally car. I will have a link in the description to check it out on Amazon if you'd like to, and then we can easily find it. And if you have anything you'd like me to review next, please let me know in the comments below. And please check out my other YouTube channel about dominoes. I will link that in the description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Lego Master, and I will see you next time.